Have you ever used drop caps in Microsoft Outlook? Drop caps is a large capital letter that appears at the beginning of the paragraph or sections. If you can see on the screen, there are a few examples also there, which extending down into the lines of text below it. Drop caps can be designed to match the overall aesthetic of the document or publications, adding a touch of elegance or visual interest to the text. So I will show you when I click on new email. While creating an email, if I want to change the first letter as a drop cap, what I have to do? In normal scenario, what you will do, you will simply select the first letter of your paragraph, go to the basic text under message section, select the font size, change it, say to 48. That way you can change the first letter to the capital and rest of the letters or content will be as a normal size, but it look not very pretty. The basic model of drop cap is when you change the first letter to the drop cap, rest of the content will be aligned that way, so the reader is very comfortable to read it and it also look very tidy. So there is another method you can use to insert the drop cap. First, select your paragraph. It is not mandatory that you have to select the first letter of your paragraph of the first word. You only have to simply select your first paragraph. Anywhere you can click your cursor. Then go to the insert tab. In the text section, you will see an option which is drop cap. When you click on it, you will have three options. First is none, which is by default already selected. There is no drop cap option enabled in this. Second option is this. When you select this option, the first letter change to the drop cap. In case if you add additional content in the paragraph, say I want to just simply copy and again paste it. In this pattern, you will see the fourth line automatically start from the beginning and just from the bottom of your first letter. Now that way you will very easily insert a drop cap in a message body. If you have another paragraph, say this, and if again you want to change the first alphabet of the paragraph, drop cap, again you can select anywhere in the paragraph, go to the insert tab, go to drop cap and select this. Here the drop cap is again working properly. That way when you send this email to your recipient, it really look and sounds professional. If you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.